Gone short 65.50, and the reason for going short, huge sell-off yesterday and in the pre-open, and 1500 tip bar chart. We've still got to make a an end of trend on the 1500 tip bar chart. I mean, there's a lot of kind of professional activity come in here, but just wonder if we're going to break this support level here on the 500 tip bar chart. Just have a move to an end of trend on the 500 tip bar chart around where this kind of crosses over. So just short 65.50. Okay, we're slowly inching down. 63.25 was the low in the pre-open, so around there we'll probably get a whole bunch of stops kind of run. Targets at 61.50. Might be nice to get kind of taken out on a whoosh down, so let's see. But this has now on the 500 got a former pullback and an end of trend, but kind of professional activity, exhaustion, selling kind of setting in, so still holding short. We're still holding short, not seen a blue professional bar yet on the 1500 tip bar chart, although we just had an end of trend and a flush signal here. That was a little amateur up bar. Yeah, still holding short. Tempted to jump out. Okay, Rambo pattern. I think we're still going to come down. Still want to see blue professional bar, so pull back and end of trend. So yeah, it's kind of creeping back up to entry. Hate this, but anyway, still holding short. We came all the way back to entry, and now where we found cyclical resistance, we're coming back again. Kind of amateur activity, kind of up here. Don't particularly want to see the highs of these amateur bars get taken out. That's not a good sign. But still no blue professional bars coming on the 1500 tip bar chart. Not many on the 500 either. Come on, come back down. So hopefully just a little bit of a double top here, and then we kind of test back down to the lows. Just conscious we've had this end of trend kind of put in with a flush signal on the 1500 tip bar chart, so just trying to find a bit of a bottom. Okay, a minute later, got cyclical resistance coming in on the 15. There we go. Blue professional bars just came in on the 500 and the lows got taken out, so that shows professionals kind of getting in there, getting short. I've got a Rambo pattern here, an amateur down bar, which isn't great, but again, still looking for those blue professional bars on the 1500 tip bar chart, so still holding my short here. Hopefully we're going to retest the lows. Once we do that, at that 63.25 type level, we could pop a bunch of stops that have been put in since the open, so let's keep holding. Just at 63, a little bit of kind of support coming in here. People are trying to buy the previous low. Blue professional bars come in, but we've still got this cyclical turn to make, so still waiting for 61.50. We had a flush signal here, but you know, the next push down should do it. Let's wait and see. Go, just checking out 61.50 for 4. Excellent. So probably will run a little bit further because we've still got pullback and end of trend on the 500 tip bar chart, but all these blue professional bars kind of coming on the 1500 tip bar chart at cyclical support with a pro signal exit here with exhaustion selling, so it's a good place to get out because this will bounce a little bit at this level here. So yeah, not a bad entry at the get-go, but we didn't fall through. The thing to do was to hold till we saw the blue professional bars kind of coming in. You can see this test back up, amateur up bars here, and then you know, now the professionals know where the levels are here, and they've kind of come back in at the 61, 62 levels. So that's great. So what is it? 8:45 a.m. 15 minutes, 4 points. That's good stuff. Now, so we've had end of trend on the 1500 tip bar chart. We had it on the 500, so it's like the left shoulder was made with an end of trend, if you like, on this kind of time frame. It was a while back in this move back here before the open, kind of around here or so, 69, and then this next kind of head being made by the end of trend on the 1500 tip bar chart. So actually we're probably going to see some strength in the market. There we go. It's really bouncing fast. But this is amateur up bars at this point, so we'll test back down again and form probably that pullback to end of trend. So this kind of level at the end of trend here will test back up. The next place to get short will be at a cyclical resistance on the 4500 tip bar chart. Not game at this point to kind of go long, but I'll be waiting to see what happens when we get that cyclical turn. So not bad morning so far.